Are you facing difficulties in learning, gaining, retaining, and processing information? If yes, then you are a slow learner. Slow learner is a term that is sometimes used for students which have low ability to learn, retain, and process information. They also have a very short attention span. Learning does not happen incidentally for slow learners. They have to be directly taught, and they cannot link one learning to another unless especially told. The good news is that even slow learners can maintain their academic results. But how? Let me share my strategy. Your results are the product of your intelligence and hard work. The term product refers to the result of one or more multiplications. Let's take a simple example to understand. When you multiply 2 and 3, you get 6, the product, which is what you get when you multiply the numbers together. You can increase the product from 6 to 12 by either replacing 2 with 4 or 3 with 6, the greater numbers. So you get the desired results. Similar is the case with your academic results. If you have low intelligence, then you have to put some extra hard work, some extra hours, extra efforts as compared to others to maintain your results. Because hard works beat talent when talent is not working hard.